how to turn on or turn off use token detection. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off use token detection option on the Metamask wallet. So first then go to Metamask and then go to the top corner right here and click on your profile. Now you need to go down and click on settings. It will take you to this page. Now on this page you need to go to right here to experimental, and you will find the use token detection option right here. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.